Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
No victory parade. Hearses will parade through Denver on Friday. On Friday, the day after the Nuggets championship parade, there will be a parade. But it will not be a victory march. Instead, the Colorado Department of Transportation is hosting a parade with a fleet of hearses that will drive through busy areas of Denver. In 2022, 236 people died on Colorado's roads without wearing seatbelts. A nationwide study conducted last June found that an average of 87% of drivers and passengers on Colorado's roads wear seatbelts. Seatbelt wearing decreased the risk of injury significantly, according to CDOT. Death in an accident